Hi everyone, today we are covering first aid basic. Knowing basic first aid can make a huge difference in an emergency. Let's go over some essential skills and tips. First aid, talk about CPR. If someone is unresponsive and not breathing, start CPR. Please place your hand in the center of their chest and push hard and fast, about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. If you are trained, you can also give rescue breaths. For cuts and wounds, apply pressure to stop the bleeding and clean the wound with water. Cover it with the clean bandage. For burns, control the area with running water. Cool the area with running water for at least 10 minutes and cover it with the sterilized dressing. Avoid using ice or creams. If someone choking, the Heimlich maneuver, stand behind them, make a fast place. It is best their navels and give quick upward thrust until the object is expired. For fractures, immobilize the injured area using the splint. Any firm objects, avoid moving the person unless necessary. Seek professional medical help immediately. All well-stocked first aid kit essential. It should be include item like a bandage, antiseptics, wipes, adhesive tapes, scissors and gloves. Regular check and restock your kit. In conclusion, basic first aid skills can save lives and reduce the severity of the injuries. Take the time to learn and practice these skills and keep your first aid kit ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe and be prepared.